Alright, so second thing you do with the Ender 3 is to get yourself a PEI sheet on top of a boro-glass. So I've tried many kinds of surfaces. First I start with this stock textured plastic sheet, and as you use it you get a lot of scratches because it's kind of difficult to remove the print, and then you can I use a blade to remove it. And then I move on to something called a texture glass from Creality, which also gave me a hard time, but eventually I settled down on the PEI sheet over glass. Now you may ask why on top of glass. Now the reason is that this heated bed right here is not machined to be perfectly flat, so you want to put a piece of glass on top to cover that defect, and then you put the PEI sheet so that your PLA filaments can stick onto it. It's serving me very well, very maintenance free. The only time they start giving me a hard time is that as you use it, your hands kind of get some grease on it and put some oil on it, and it stops the adhesion. So what you do at that point is to just clean it off with some dish soap, and it will be awesome again. Now if you do use some tool to remove your print, you will start getting some scratch on it, and that scratch will transfer to the bottom of the print. So what you do is that you take a piece of 600 grit sandpaper, put some water on it, and then just sand it off into a smooth, hazy texture, like something like this. And then you do the same again with 1000 grit sandpaper, and optionally you can use a 2000 grit to go further, but I decided to stop at 1000. So that's the second tip: get a PEI sheet on boro-glass and save money from buying other things that don't work. And feel free to thank me later. Bye.